everyone, welcome to GITEX Insights. I am joined by Mohan Raj, Vice President I'm at Gurucul. Hi Mohan, how are you
Hello,
today?
hi. Thanks for having me here.
Thank you. How is your company leveraging AI to deliver greater value to enterprises?
Great. Today you would hear AI everywhere, right? Right from the inception back in 2009 when Gurucul got into the cybersecurity domain, the first and foremost thing that we did is to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence to identify the behavior of every entity or user or entity inside an organization to see whether it's really a right behavior or a malicious behavior. So from there on, we started our security analytics journey. And today, if you see, Gurucul has the highest number of ML and AI models, almost like 4,000 plus different trained models of machine learning. And our LLMs run parallel to the machine learning, which will automatically do a threat hunting, threat research, prediction, detection, and response. Now, the best part of this is you can't write static rules to identify a threat when an AI-based bot or an automated bot is creating all those threat vectors. So to fight an AI, you need an AI. Think like an AI, behave like an AI, and respond to the AI using an AI. So that's how we leverage AI and ML to detect, predict, and respond to cybersecurity threats.
And what cutting edge technologies are you showcasing this year at GITEX?
So if you look at the Security Operations Center, predominantly there are 2 or 3 tools that get into a SOC, which is SIM, UEBA, and SOAR. Almost every other platform out there would want to ingest a lot of data, more the expense. So the TCO grows. What we have launched recently is called as Data Optimization or Data Optimizer. So this is the only platform under the sun today which would optimize the data and reduce the cost and not foregoing the required security operations data to come into the SOC. What does that mean? A CISO or a security operations head could pump in all the data that they need for security operations visibility, detection and response, of course, but we will help them to optimize it, filter it, normalize and fork it to send only the SecOps data to the SIM or the Security Operations Center and keep rest of the data for compliance adherence. Whenever the customer wants, they can go back and search, they can go back and analyze the non-security operations data as well. So not let going the compliance adherence, at the same time not paying for the data that is not required for your SIM or security operations as such. So we call it as Data Optimizer. We launched it. There are successful customers using it, and it can work on any SIM platform, not just on Gurucul, but it can work with any other SIM platform out there in the market, which could optimize and bring down the cost of the Security Operations Center. So that's the thing that we are showcasing as our key offering to the market today in GITEX. But as I said, ML and AI has been the backbone of the platform. We leverage complete AI, 4,000 plus machine learning models, threat hunting to incident response. It's all automated using the AI platform internally. So we call it as subject matter expert AI, which is a native part of the platform. So people don't have to depend on a third-party generative AIs. It's Gurukul's own generative AI that sits inside the platform, adds the context of the organization or the enterprise to the data that we are collecting, and then produces the results out there.
And how your presence is aligning with the vision of your organization?
Now, if you look at the region, especially UAE, right, plus Saudi, Qatar, the adoption of AI is very high compared to any other regions out there. Now, this has made our approach to the enterprises easier because the customers here, let it be government, BFSI, oil and gas, they're all adapting to AI. They have their own internal AI teams. So we add value to those teams by providing out-of-the-box content, trained models, well-tuned LLMs, which can work hand in hand with their existing teams to make their operations more effective and efficient.
Thank you for taking out time and
Thank you. Thanks for having me here.